Picture two identical manufacturing plants. They use the exact same machinery to produce the exact same physical output. But inside Factory B, the cables are constantly overheating, the transformers are failing years ahead of schedule, and management is paying a massive utility penalty every single month. The cause isn't broken equipment. Factory B is simply drawing significantly more electrical current from the local grid to perform the exact same work as Factory A. In industrial power systems, the mechanical output you get from a machine does not always equal the electrical input it demands. There is an invisible drain on the system. We usually assume that electricity pulled from a grid translates perfectly into mechanical motion. You plug a machine in and the motor spins. However, heavy industry relies almost entirely on AC induction motors. To operate, these machines draw on a hidden electrical requirement that must be actively managed by the facility. When an industrial plant ignores this hidden requirement, the induction motors pull extra current, forcing the entire local electrical grid to choke under unnecessary load. Because utilities have to build larger infrastructure to supply that extra, non-productive current, they charge for it. Global industries pay millions in penalties for electricity that performs zero physical work. To see where power goes, we look inside the motor. The actual energy performing the mechanical work of turning the shaft is real power, measured in kilowatts. But first, the motor must establish a strong magnetic field inside the casing. Sustaining those magnetic fields requires a distinct stream of electrical energy known as reactive power. Therefore, an induction motor inherently demands two different streams of electrical power simultaneously just to function. Adding those two streams together gives you apparent power. This is the total volume of electrical power your physical cables and transformers must carry. The easiest way to visualize this ratio is with a freshly poured beer. The entire glass itself represents the apparent power. The liquid beer at the bottom is the real power. It is the useful output. The foam on top represents reactive power. It occupies space but provides no actual substance. If you calculate the ratio of the useful liquid to the total volume of the mug, you get a metric known as the power factor. A mathematically low power factor means an industrial facility is wasting its valuable physical infrastructure capacity, carrying absolutely useless foam. Operating at a poor power factor of 0.75 pulls a massive 695 amps, causing cables to overheat. Installing a capacitor bank supplies reactive power locally, cutting extra utility demand. This improves the ratio to 0.95 and drops the draw to 548 amps. By simply correcting the ratio, nearly 150 amps of current vanish from the grid. This eliminates the excess heat and utility penalties, all without altering the factory's output. Factory B eventually addressed its current issues by installing an automatic capacitor bank. Their voltage stabilized instantly, and the monthly utility penalties disappeared. By shedding the excess current, the facility unlocked significant amounts of spare capacity in their existing transformers. They gained the equivalent of a heavy infrastructure upgrade without actually replacing any primary hardware. Tracking power factor is one of the most critical health indicators for any electrical system. Optimizing it prevents expensive financial and physical waste. But practically managing this in the field is difficult. Manually calculating exact apparent power or sizing a precise kVAR capacitor bank requires complex, high-stakes math. Minor errors in these formulas can result in the wrong equipment being ordered, leaving a facility in non-compliance or risking further damage to the local infrastructure. That is why engineers use designcalculators.co.in. It is an essential tool designed to solve these exact equations instantly and safely. The platform allows you to accurately size capacitor banks, calculate precise voltage drops, and solve complex power factor corrections effortlessly. You can access this complete engineering toolkit for free by clicking the link in the description below. Stop paying the utility company for foam, run your numbers, size your capacitor banks, and take full control of your electrical efficiency today.